Hey Lane, I was just going through all of my emails and realized that many months ago you asked me how to get our clock hours off of ESS, and I'm also sending you guys the clock hours from all the PDs, so you'll have both of those coming your way. I have nothing to do with your ESS, so I wanted to show you really quick now that I know how to do this. So once you log into ESS and you kind of come to the normal page, you're going to go to Jeffco Employee Self-Service. You click over on Learning and Development, and then District-Wide Clock Hours Request. And this is anything that you had to sign up with through the district. So anytime you put your ID number in for like your ELL stuff, any training you went to that was provided by the district, it would be in here. Anything from Seacrest is separate, and I print out a certificate and I'll get that to you guys here too in the first, my goal is the first week of May. So anyways, you click here and then you put in the date. So I would put in the all the way up to the last time you had to renew your license. So if it's 2018, 2013. You could put in August or whatever. Look at your thing and put it in. So anyways, when you do, you just hit the submit report request, and I've already done this. So when you hit it at the bottom, it will say submit requested, and up here it should say this report will be submitted to your email. It does come through really fast, but I had already done it this morning. So it comes through in this, and when you open it, it's just a long PDF of all the things you've done in the last 5 years. And it should, I believe, at the very bottom have a total. If not, it still has all these individual hours like right here. So yeah, here we go. So yeah, at the very bottom it will have your total for that last couple of years. So if there is anything else I can help you with, let me know. And if not, good luck to you.